G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is the natural gas update on September 15, 2023. First off on the daily, we did have this, let me just delete that, Fibonacci. We did have this minor resistance at 29.20. Now it's actually broken up past that with a pretty, with that wick since our last update. And it's been running flat since then. I'll go to the hourly in a minute, but just on the daily first off, you can see there the CCI is still breaking to the upside. Let me expand that. Still making movements to the upside past the midpoint, so still in a slightly bullish momentum. The Stochastic likewise, that is still in the oversold territory, but starting to turn up ever so slightly and breaking above its moving average, but nothing too significant to warrant getting too excited about. On the hourly, we did project this bearish divergence on the CCI versus this double top on the price. And we did draw this trend line to potentially enter when it breaks below that trend line, and that was since our last video. Now, that has not eventuated. In fact, what it's done, it's got broken up and higher, so you would not have entered that point at that level there. So what we need to do then is we need to redraw this Fibonacci. First off, we're going to move that resistance. Eventually, move that resistance to that point there. Now we're going to draw the Fibonacci to that new high. Yeah, come on. It always does this to me when I'm trying to paint. Okay, so that's our new Fibonacci range. So you would not have entered it on that level there, but you would have entered it probably on that point there. That trend line still applies. So if we move that, you can see there it's broken already past the 23% level, but it's broken below that trend line. So new target area will be around the 38% level. So that's our minimum target range. That CCI bearish divergence is still valid, so we're going to keep that in play. Now for this to invalidate, we need to see the CCI break higher than that point there for it to invalidate, and by that stage the price would have gone up. So that would be your potentially your entry point, and that'll be your initial target area. So that's at play at the moment. The Stochastic less significant than the CCI, but still making further upward moves after breaking up initially, then breaking down, but still are up around the overbought territory and still moving that to the upward momentum. So I'll keep an eye on that. It's not far off it hitting this initial target area. So support us more on the Patreon page to understand how to use trend trading strategies, but also the divergence strategies in more detail. We do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Hit that notification bell and see you in a future video.